turning 0 into 10K within 3 months with SMMA. So guys, as you may know, if you are following this channel, me and 4 other agency owners, we are doing a challenge which is generating 10,000 euros, dollars, pounds per month with SMMA, all right? It's pounds and euros. So generating 6 figures within 3 months. That's what we are doing. So if you didn't watch the first episode, go watch it. So you will have all the information about this challenge. So for me, again, that will be about 4 to 5 clients that I have to generate. And I'm putting a goal. I'm just like, okay, during the next 3 months, I will be generating 50 meetings. With 50 meetings, honestly, I'm just sure it's just a numbers game. So I'm sure that I will be generating 5 clients, and I'm sure that I will be generating an extra 10,000 euros per month for my social media marketing agency. And so far it's going pretty good. We are doing every week a call, all right? It's like an action after review call so that we can see our progress, see what went wrong, see what we could have done better, what everybody has done. So I'm going to show you the result of the challenge. We're going on my computer right now. So as you can see, guys, this is the number of meetings conducted. So this is the number of meetings that we have done. So Casey, I think it's Casey. Yeah, Casey have done 2 meetings. He has conducted 2 meetings. We didn't really talk about how the meetings went. We will talk more about it next week. Boyan did a lot of outreach, didn't still conduct a meeting, but he managed to get 1 meeting, and that's amazing. Casey managed to get 2 meetings, that's so cool, and Harry 1, and I managed to get 4 meetings last week. All right, so this week basically. And let's look at the number. So this, I believe, is the number of calls. So for the number of calls, Boyan did 36. 100 emails, so that's perfect. Boyan has a really good open rate and also reply rates. He's split testing a lot of email sequences. Let's see, Casey didn't do cold emailing, same for Ari. They were focusing on cold calling. For my part, I was focusing on both, and also LinkedIn outreach. Here, as you can see, Boyan did 5 LinkedIn outreach. So still we didn't close any clients yet, so this is the monthly revenue, as you can see, but I'm really confident. So for my part, I conducted 4 meetings, and what I can tell you is I have 5 meetings in total for the moment. All right, so as you can see, number of meetings taken, there is 5, and I've conducted 4. There is 1 that I need to do in February, but the 4 that I conducted went pretty well. I will refuse 2 of them. My team did an audit for the 4 of them, and we can onboard only 2 of them. Like the 2 others, their website is, it's fine, but there needs to be a lot of improvements because we can drive Facebook ads traffic into them. But now, as you can see, 4 meetings, 2 that we can work with, and I'm going to do a proposal this week. So I will maybe sign my first client for this challenge during the week 2. So I will see how it goes. But next week, I've put myself the goal to get 3 more meetings. So the same goal that I've done here. 3 more meetings. So it will be even 5, like 3 to 5. I believe that it's a great goal for the week. But yeah, guys, that's what I will be doing. So as you can see, we are all committed on this. This is just the first week, and it's ending on 1st of May. So we are, we are keeping each other accountable. Every week we are doing a call, and trust me, I'm really believing that each one of us will get to 6 figures within 3 months, because we are so committed into it, and that's what I want to show you guys. Just like put a goal of meetings. Trust me, it will help you so much, and this is what is helping us for this challenge basically. And as you can see, there will be 15 more weeks, so we have time, but it's going fast, right? So we need to take actions, and we need the most important things is to generate meetings so that we can meet more and more companies, more and more brands, more and more business owners. And yeah, so what did we do is, cold calling. The hard thing with cold calling is always to get to the decision maker. For my part, what I did is I focus on companies that are doing 1 to 10 millions, so they still have a small team. It's like there are 10 in the companies. Usually there is just one headquarter, all right? The business owner will always be in one place, so it's very easy to get to him. I just call. I have one gatekeeper. Usually it's very easy to get through him, and I just can call to the owner directly. So again, they are doing 1 to 10 million. I don't want to go to big brands for the moment, because I'm pricing very low. I'm pricing like at 2K per month for the moment, and I want to get 5 clients. So that will be, I'm sure that it will be not that hard. So it won't be that hard. Again, I just need to get 5 clients. All right. Emails. I've got 2 meetings with emails and 2 meetings with cold calling. So emails, again, very effective. I didn't send a lot. I sent 25 emails. So I may be improving, maybe sending 50 emails next week. All right. 50 emails, and I may get 4 meetings. All right, I will try that. I will try to double the number of emails that I'm sending, and we will see how it goes. But I will just increase the number of calls. I will increase the number of emails as well, the number of LinkedIn connection. I still need to automate my LinkedIn sequences. Like there is auto connecting, but there is not a funnel in place for LinkedIn. For the moment, I'm fine with cold calling and emails, but I will get on LinkedIn very soon. But as you can see, like, this is why I believe SMMA is the best business to start, because you can reach 6 figures very fast. So if you are building the right processes for your team, for the service delivery, it will be very easy for you to reach 6 figures. So guys, that's about it for this week. I will see you in the next week for this challenge. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how to start and grow your own social media marketing agency, I've done a 1-hour free training, and you can find the link in the description. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and I will see you in another video.